Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you are at Barb Beauty. Today's video I wanted to make because I've been doing this so much lately and my skin has been looking so good whenever I use these products all together, and it's all drugstore, so it's affordable and it looks amazing. I hope you enjoy today's video and you will like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff down below. All of my social media you can follow will also be down below, and let's just hop right into this video. So starting off today's video with skincare slash primer, I'm using the Badescu Rose Water Spray that everybody talks about, but it is truly so amazing and I think everybody needs it in their makeup collection and their skincare routine. It's great for, you know, after you wash your face or for a morning refresh. Just spritz it on your face and your face feels so cool and nice. And I also really love having it incorporated into my makeup routine for a setting spray or a primer, which I'm going to be doing today, and it's just a necessity. Moving on to foundation, the star of this video is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Now I know this is talked about all of the time and it's not a new product, but it is something that I've been grabbing for almost every single day because it looks so good on the skin, and there's a reason why it's so hyped up. I've been reaching for this so much more than my high-end ones because it's just so amazing and I feel like everybody needs it. It's only around $8-9 and it's a good one. I'm going to be mixing two shades because I have the shade 228 Soft Tan and it's a little too dark even though my face is way lighter than my body. I'm going to mix in some 118 Light Beige, do a little concoction of these two. I zoomed you guys in quite a bit so you can see how this foundation applies. And what I like to do is dot it all over my face. And then I will take a Morphe Y6 flat kabuki brush. Is it a kabuki brush? I don't know, but it's the flat top one. And I will first start blending it out with this. I like to get the first layer of foundation on with the brush, and then I will take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and then just blend it all out seamlessly, because I feel like the brush gives off a really good first layer of full coverage because sponges can sheer foundations out. So that's what I like to go in first, but this just makes it look flawless. And as you can tell, this foundation just looks so nice. It gives a nice medium coverage and it's super lightweight. I feel like it really made my skin look so beautiful and it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face right now. Moved on to concealer, I'm taking two from Maybelline and the foundation is from Maybelline and the powder I will be using is also from Maybelline. So everything I am showcasing you in this video is by Maybelline, so hit a girl up for some sponsorship. The first concealer I'm going in with is the Maybelline Better Skin Super Stay Concealer, and this is in light medium, and I like to use this for any coverage that I need that is not my under eyes, like breakouts and any spots on my face, and I will just go in with this. The next concealer I'm going in with is, of course, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer that everybody loves because it is so good, and this is the Neutralizer shade. It's like the yellow one, and I am obsessed with this. Now that the concealer is on and I look a little crazy, I like to let it kind of sit for a minute or two just to kind of, I don't know, settle a little before I blend it out right away so it doesn't just completely blend away when I blend it away. That made no sense, but I like to let my concealer sit for a minute before I blend it all out. I almost always go in with a second layer under my eyes if the darkness is still peeking through. I will just do a little dot dot and then that's it for concealer. This concealer can crease under the eyes pretty bad, so I'm going to quickly set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And my personal favorite shade is 10 Fair Light, and that's what I will be baking my face with. So while my bake sets and warms up and heats up and bakes, I like to set my brows and then brush it away. So all I did was set my brows, and now I am removing the bake from my face with this giant fluffy brush, and I'm trying to take the excess powder and get it everywhere else that I didn't bake, so that part of my face sets as well. And I only sweep it away right when I'm done setting my brows, is because I really don't like when my bake sets for like more than a couple minutes. I think that's excessive for my skin because I have really dry skin, so I only try to bake it for about a minute or even 2. That's about it. So this is my face with the foundation, concealer, and powder on. I am gonna go do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will come back to set and close up this video. So I finished the rest of my makeup, and now I'm going back in with that Badescu Rose Water Spray to set my makeup and soak up any excess powder and just give my face this really glow from within dewiness to it. It's not going to make it dewy, but it's just going to make it look like skin again, and it's just going to look really pretty. And there you guys have it. This is the final look using just Drugstore foundation base, all the good stuff. I feel like my skin looks so pretty and it feels so lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on my face, and it's just a good everyday foundation routine. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want me to do kind of like a high-end version of this video, because it was really fun. It was really quick and simple to just get on here for you guys. Again, all my social media and stuff will be down below. I hope you follow me, subscribe, all of that stuff, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.